for summer. Woo! It's summertime, and if you're an affiliate on the hunt for a winning affiliate offer, well, that means you've come to the right place because I'm breaking down the top 5 highest performing offers on ClickBank for June 2026. And this time around, I'm talking spirituality, health and fitness, and even survival. And all of these evergreen plays, I know there's an offer with your name on it. So let's get going. And in case you're new here, I'm Michael Lohman, a sales manager at ClickBank who knows his way around the dashboards and around our community of elite affiliates and sellers. So when I tell you that an offer is cooking, well, you know it's got the good stuff. And let's get started with some good stuff with our number 5 offer this month, and that's the Smart Water Box. And how about that? Seems pretty smart. Water in summer, who would have thought? This is a high converting offer that addresses one of the world's biggest problems, reliable access to clean water, and water that knows how to do math. And here are the metrics you need to know. It's got an EPC of 70 cents, an average payout value of $51.52, and a hot conversion rate of 1.94%. And how does it work? Well, Smart Water Box helps people create their own off-grid water supply, even pulling pure drinking water from the air. It's backed by references to NASA-level technology, and this product speaks directly to anyone who values self-reliance, making it a perfect fit for not just survivalists and preppers, but for the general public looking for peace of mind. When you promote Smart Water Box, you tap into a best-selling offer that affiliates are digging on cold traffic. You can earn a hefty 75% commission right out of the box. Haha, get that? And you can get more than $50 a pop on a conversion rate of nearly 2%. And best of all, it's already done for you. You got tested email swipes, proven angles, and an eager audience that's primed to discover this water hack. And quick note, CPA and direct tracking are also available on this one. You just need to contact the advertiser, go to the marketplace, see where it says contact advertiser, get that information, and message them, and get moving. Now, switching gears here from digital offers, let's switch over to NewEra and what's topping the sales charts over there. And we got NewEra Protect. It is an amazing offer that is a huge winner in the women's health niche. Let's see the stats. We got an earnings per click of 56 cents, an average payout value of $157, and a hot conversion rate at 0.5%. And from the creators of Pelvic Floor Strong, NewEra Protect empowers women over 40 to take charge of their bladder health. This unique solution supports leak-free living so users can enjoy life with more comfort and confidence and get back on that trampoline. As an affiliate, you'll love this proven funnel that consistently performs in a highly lucrative market. Expect good payouts of up to 90%, plus the refund rates are really low. So you keep your earnings strong over time. So this is your chance to tap into a thriving audience and provide real value to customers seeking solutions that truly work. Just note that approval is required to promote this one, but direct tracking is also available. So that means you're gonna get a better performance out of it. And if you got traffic, well, you owe it to yourself to give NewEra Protect a go. So go to the marketplace, go promote it. Now, if you're glad to see me back in the limelight doing top offers, you're probably asking yourself, where did Michael go? Who's this other lady? What did she do to him? So why don't you comment Michael's back below and help us understand this whole YouTube algorithm, please. But if you're ready to see a brand new offer, you can check out the next one in position number 3. Cut to me talking about position number 3. Hi, me. Let's talk about position number 3. Our number 3 offer is, well, let's give you a little sneak peek. It's got an EPC of 96 cents, average payout value of nearly $200, a hot conversion rate of nearly 0.74%. Yeah, this offer may sound a lot like NewEra Protect, but who doesn't welcome a little friendly competition? This one is FemiCore. This formula is designed for women over 45 and targets the root cause of urinary incontinence, an imbalance in the urinary microbiome. Backed by a reputable doctor, FemiCore blends ingredients that restore healthy bacteria, deliver permanent relief, and improve pelvic support. As an affiliate, you'll be happy to hear that this offer's proven copy was created by top-tier copywriters. That means high conversion rates on any channel, Facebook, email, native, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. And it's got average EPCs that hover around $1, thanks in part to strong upsells that are already in place. Plus, with volume, you'll benefit from fast commission bumps. So, Just be aware that this one does require approval like the other one, but it's a perfect opportunity for any affiliate who may qualify. And promoting FemiCore to help address a critical need in the women's health market, well, you're an ally. And of course, some generous affiliate commissions are along the way. So you can find it in the marketplace. Go, promote it. Keeping this affiliate supplement train a-rolling just a little longer. Let's slow down. Kind of slow down because I'm tired. And that's why You Sleep is right here. Not you sleep, me sleep, but You Sleep. A supplement designed to help people fall asleep fast and wake up feeling rejuvenated. They must not have kids. Check out this top offer's incredible stats. It's got an EPC of 67 cents, an average payout value of $155, and a hop conversion rate of 0.45%. And you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, that's lower than the other ones. Well, that's because this has a lot more traffic on it, and it is doing numbers. It boasts impressive performance metrics, especially that $155 average payout, and you have endless potential to scale, since YouSleep is seeing strong conversions across everything from Facebook to email to Google to YouTube to TikTok to native, you name it. It does numbers. Now, you don't need approval on this one, but I still recommend you contact the advertiser and just let them know, hey, I'm promoting it. And if there's anything else that will help you promote it. And if you do contact them, well, you can earn up to a hefty $160 CPA with them. So don't snooze on it. This is a lucrative, beginner-friendly offer that delivers real benefits to a huge market. And, of course, it is great for experienced affiliates who want to scale up. Now, probably been wondering, well, where's the number one offer? I got you the number one offer. And it is pretty smart. Dare I say a genius. And that's because it's the Genius song. It hits number one again. Here are the stats for this powerhouse. It's an EPC of $1.11. It's got an average payout value of $55, a hop conversion rate of 2.18%. I mean, it's a standout. And what is it? Well, it's a brain-boosting audio program that taps into natural genius potential. Obviously, look at me. Inspired by NASA research, it harnesses a specific gamma brainwave frequency that 98% of people are born with. Those 2%? Well, sorry, Ed. Modern life can suppress this wave, but the Genius Song's proprietary sound wave technology quickly helps listeners restore it at just 7 minutes a day. As an affiliate, you can be confident promoting the Genius Song because it comes from a wildly successful marketer with nearly $100 million in productive sales. And conversions are sky high, the product continues to scale, and it's doing great on all top paid media channels. So no approval is needed, just grab your link and go. But it doesn't help to reach out, right? It doesn't take a genius to know a good offer when you see one. If you're ready for maximum commissions, get on the Genius Song right now. You'll find it in the marketplace. Plus, we got a bonus one, bonus from the same advertiser, the Memory Wave. And if you're thinking, the Memory Wave, what's that? Well, you probably need this, Kevin. Anyway, first the stats. It's got a strong EPC of nearly 50 cents, an average payout value of $53.30, a hop conversion rate of nearly 1%. And like the Genius Wave, the Memory Wave is a powerful audio solution that's been meticulously crafted to help people fine-tune their memory and mental clarity. The Memory Wave taps into proven sound wave technology, all backed by, yes, you guessed it, a former NASA neuroscientist. Your audience simply listens for 7 minutes a day, sound familiar, to unlock noticeable improvements. And they can do it from anywhere. Because the creators invested over $30,000 in development, you'll be promoting a polished offer that genuinely resonates with customers. So, don't forget to test out the Memory Wave, if you remember it, Kevin. It's one of the top offers for a reason, so go, check it out. Now, I can't believe it's summer already. We're gonna go out there, hang by the pool, just relax. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna be relaxing because I'm stuck in this room. I mean, you can. Promote your offers, sit by the pool, get on that computer, buy ads, do all that. I'll just be locked in this room forever. But if you haven't actually joined ClickBank yet, yeah, start an account right now. And as always, subscribe, like, click the buttons below, please. Maybe one day they'll let me out of here. But until then, I'm Michael Lohman. Go make some money, y'all.